Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again. Failing in business in 1831, suffering a nervous breakdown in 1836, defeated in his run for president in 1856, he was elected in 1861 as the 16th President of the United States of America. Abraham Lincoln. He was a Harvard University dropout and co-owner of a failed business called Trafo Data. However, skill and a passion for computer programming turned this failure into the pioneer of famous software company called Microsoft. Bill Gates missed more than 9,000 shots in his career. He lost almost 300 games, 26 times. He failed over and over and over again in his life. Michael Jordan. He didn't learn to speak till the age of 4 years. His rebellious nature led to expulsion from school, and he was refused admittance to the Zurich Polytechnic School. Albert Einstein. Failure is the key to success. Each mistake teaches us something. You could be the next famous personality. Engage TEL Gurus, meet your divine masters.